Hey, what's up guys? It's Matt from Cornelius Creations, and today I'm going to show you a very cool tool room organization hack that will take your messy looking desk and turn it into one like this. Now you can see right here we are hanging tools above our work desk, and obviously we were doing these with rare earth magnets. I don't see really a lot of people utilizing these, but I think they are a very purposeful and useful tool for your workroom. But these rare earth magnets really keep a strong bond, and you can just take one of these right here, look there, and just pop it up there. The reason I'm showing you this video is to show you what I do so it can give you some ideas. I'm sure you guys can come up with hundreds of ideas for this stuff. So let me show you my uses for these. Even though you've seen me hang a lot of tools up here, I really don't like doing that. I just don't like having a bunch of dangling tools over me, especially sharp ones, just to say an accident would occur, even though these magnets are pretty strong. But what I do is I put my rotary burrs on here, and they are very easy access. Anytime I'm power carving, I can just grab one of these, put it in my Fordham right here. So they're strong enough to hold some of the hand pieces right here. So I can just grab up here if I needed to change my Fordham out. I just go like that, and voila, quick change. And they're pretty strong. You can see this big old tomahawk head right here. Fits right on there. Now I wouldn't put this up here because that's a safety hazard, so I'll just pull it off there, but you can see right there the type of strength they have. Now I found these specific magnets right here at the Home Depot along with a lot of different magnets, and I was pretty surprised they actually carried them. So these were, I think, around $4, somewhere around there. Excellent price. You can find these on Amazon as well from $7 on up, depending on the size and how many, but I really didn't need more than 10, so I just grabbed this pack, which was actually a great price. Now the rare earth magnets that I actually recommend are similar to washers. They have a hole in the middle. That way you can put a screw in there and just attach it to anywhere you want. And so I really recommend that if you're going to be hanging heavier tools, you will have confidence in it that it won't fall. When I say confidence that it will hold, here's what I mean. When you're on a flat metal surface like this, when you attach a heavy object like these pliers, look at what happens. It falls right down and it holds. And even though it's holding pretty good, I don't like how that dangles. So if you're going to be attaching stuff above your head, any type of tools or sharp objects or heavy objects, I really recommend the stronger magnets with the screws, just like I showed you. And of course, if I attach heavier tools, it's going to be to the side of me or to the other side of my shop. But the main reason, like I said, I'm showing you this video is so that you will see how I use it, and this can give you a good idea of how these work. But if you're going to apply some magnets to here, just watch out because they do fall. They're strong, but if you have a slick surface, it's going to pull right off. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. And again, as a word of caution, if you're hanging heavy or sharp tools, please take the necessary steps to ensure your safety. I would love to hear what you guys will do with these rare earth magnets. So leave me a comment below what you guys can do with them. I would love to hear it. And I would actually like to see your projects. So make a video, start your YouTube channel, do something different today. I think it would be awesome. So you guys, if you do that, tag me in it. I would love to see it. Have a great day, and below I will have all the links to these magnets if you choose to get them on Amazon. So guys, I appreciate you. I'll holler at you later. Thank you so much.